Hello friends, I am Sovik Chatterjee and today I will discuss an interesting topic, that is matrix space. In any BSc course, this is an important topic and today we shall discuss this topic. So, there are so many questions in matrix space that why we read matrix space, how matrix spaces came in mathematics, and what we should to read in this chapter. So basically, I start this and continue this lecture in many parts. So let's stay with us and let's get started. So the first question is why we study matrix space and how it came in mathematics. So before study this topic, we should learn real analysis and abstract algebra. In real analysis, we analyze some property of real line. This is called sequential, sequence, limit, continuity, differentiability, and many more things such that like us. And in abstract algebra, we study about some abstract space with some restricted property. So, how matrix spaces came? In real analysis, we study with sequence, limit, continuity, differentiability for only real line, and we analyze this property. Now, if we want to study this property in any space from abstract algebra, you can call it an abstract space. So, if we want to study each of these property in any abstract space, then this space will be called matrix space. So, this is the necessary of matrix space. In this space, we can introduce such type of property in any space. Now the question is, what is matrix space? Before come to that point, I want to say something. What is the meaning of metric? Metric का मतलब क्या है? Metric mean actually nothing but distance. So distance in any space, that is called metric, and this space can be called as metric space. And now we will define the definition of the metric space, and then we will show some examples, various types of examples, and so on. And the lecture, in this lecture we will continue only the definition. In the next we will show some example of metric space in R, R2, R in various types of examples, right? So first of all, the definition of matrix space. तो मैट्रिक्स स्पेस किसको कहते हैं? So definition is, let X be any non-empty set and D is a function defined such that x cross x to real number. D is called metric in X if it follows some property. These properties are, first of all, d of xy this must be greater than equal to 0 for all xy belongs to x. This property is called non-negativity. Second property, d of xy equal to 0 if and only if x equal to y. Third property, d of xy equal to d of yx. This property is called symmetricity. So this property is called symmetricity. And the last property is d of xy less than equal to d of xz plus d of yz. This property is called triangle inequality. If these four property hold for this function d, then d is called metric on x, and x d is called metric space, right? Clear? So you know the definition of the metric space. So what is the definition of the metric space? X be any non-empty set. D is a function defined from x cross x to R, and D is called a metric in X. If it follows this four property, then this D is called metric on X, and XD, this is called metric space. So whenever we want to show any space in a metric, any metric space, the most important part is the property 4, because the rest 3 are mainly trivial. We have to focus on this part only. This is triangle inequality, right? So this is the definition of the metric space. In the next video we will discuss about various types of example of the metric space. Thank you very much.